I've never seen the water this blue, Captain Nemo.
That's because we're far from the city. Are you ready to go down?
Keep this on. We need to stay in touch with the surface.
It's a bit tight in here, like a metal egg. Everything is so high-tech. Look at all these screens.
Pressure seal engaged. Oxygen levels at 100%.
We're floating, or we're about to stop floating.
Bye-bye, sunshine. We're going under. Wow, passing the 100-meter mark.
This is steady as shows, Toby.
They look like 1,000,000 tiny mirrors flashing in the light. The water is changing color. It's becoming a dark navy.
The weight of the ocean is pressing on this hull right now.
How thick is this glass, Captain?
8 inches of solid acrylic. It has to be strong.
It feels spooky, like the sun is tired and going to sleep.
That's just the twilight zone. It's always like this down here.
Watch the water, Toby. Some creatures here make their own light.
Wow, I see them glowing. It's so beautiful. Is that a ghost?
No, Toby, it's bioluminescent plankton.
Oh, cool.
That's bioluminescence. It's a chemical reaction to find food.
It's an anglerfish, just like in my science books. Whoa, he looks scary but also very cool. We've reached the midnight zone. It's pitch black out there. The lights are so bright, it's like a stadium in the ocean. Look at the size of that squid. His eyes are as big as dinner plates.
Indeed, a magnificent specimen.
Wow. He didn't want to be a movie star today.
Checking the thrusters. We're heading for the seafloor.
Wow, to the seafloor. 2 kilometers deep. That's 10 times taller than a skyscraper. Snow? At the bottom of the ocean?
It's marine snow, Toby. Tiny particles falling like flakes.
What's that? That's marine snow. It's organic matter falling from above. So the whole ocean is connected. What happens at the top helps the bottom. It looks like the moon, so quiet and lonely.
Toby, I need you to use the dual robotic manipulator arms.
Me? I've only done this in video games.
Move the left stick for the elbow and the right for the claw.
It's slow. The water is heavy and pushes back. Oops! I missed it. It's hard to judge the distance through the glass. Remember, Toby, light bends in water. Aim slightly lower than you think. Slowly, got it. I've got the prize. Mission successful.
What was that?
Did we hit a rock? Captain Nemo, something is shaking us.
Steady, Toby. It's just a current. I've got it.
But it's tilting.
It's a whale. He must be hunting the giant squid.
He's so big. I feel like an ant looking at an elephant. He was just curious. My heart is beating so fast.
The whale's tail hit the light bracket. We're half blind now.
Can we fix it from inside?
Toby, Switch the screen to acoustic imaging.
It's like seeing with your ears.
Precisely, Toby. Sound paints the darkness.
Captain, turn left. There's a giant wall in front of us.
Understood, Toby. Adjusting course now. Good eyes, Toby. You're a natural co-pilot.
Is that smoke? Is the ocean on fire?
No, Toby. Those are hydrothermal vents. It's superheated water rich in minerals.
That's superheated water and minerals. Life here doesn't need the sun.
They look like aliens from another planet.
In a way, they are.
This is a world completely alien to our own. Even down here, there is trash. That's not right. I'm taking this home. The ocean should be clean.
Prepare for the journey back up. We're low on power.
We came, we saw, and we cleaned up a little. I'm going to miss the bioluminescence.
There are always new wonders to see.
I hope so. It's a disco party in the Twilight Zone! Wait until Leo sees this. He won't believe it. The sun is so bright, I forgot how much I missed it. Finally, fresh air! My legs feel funny. I've been sitting for 5 hours.
The wind feels amazing.
We back on land.
You got the volcanic rock. This is perfect for the lab.
This doesn't belong down there.
You're a brave explorer, Toby. The deep sea is a tough place.
Thank you, Captain Nemo. The more I see of the world, the more I want to protect it. Leo, I saw an anglerfish and a giant squid! No way, really? Yeah, it was huge! Awesome! Tell me everything! Was it scary?
Those are minerals that only form under extreme pressure.
The bottom of the ocean is as pretty as the stars. Being a scientist is hard work, but the view is great. My shoes have traveled to the bottom of the world. I'm ready for a big dinner and a long sleep. I wonder if the whale is telling his friends about the tiny metal egg he saw. The ocean has many secrets. I'm glad you found some. Me too. I'm going to give this to Miss Apple at school.
The ocean is a big, beautiful mystery.
Hello, bird. I'm back from the dark. I need to edit this for my science presentation. It looks like a factory in the middle of the sea. A good explorer always keeps a logbook. I'll make his teeth extra long. We're home! Look at the city lights! The city is like a bioluminescent creature, too. My feet feel heavy on the ground again. Yeah, but it feels good to be back. Definitely.
Until next time, Toby.
I'll be back. I want to find a sunken ship next.
You've had a busy day. Let's get some pizza.
The moon is dry, the ocean is wet. Both are huge. Leo, why didn't the submarine get squashed like a soda can? A sphere distributes the pressure evenly on all sides. So the shape protected us. Smart engineering. Ready! I found a gift from the deep! My room is becoming a museum of adventures. Salt water makes my skin feel tight. I look like the same Toby, but I feel different inside. No pressure in bed, just pillows. Life can live anywhere if it has enough energy. They've been to the park, the arcade, and the abyss. I want to learn more about the ocean floor. We could build houses with huge windows for everyone. Good night, ocean. Good night, Captain. I'm lucky to be safe on the land. Mom, did you know whales have giant hearts?
I did not. That's amazing, sweetie. So do you, Toby. Go to sleep.
Ready for the next one. Everything is connected.